how you make me feel. Oh, you give me chills, baby.
Hey y'all, this is Kel. Hey. So, I am back to do another video for y'all, and this is the deep conditioner video. So, because I've been scolded and all of that, and of course, every time I do a natural hair video, I come to y'all natural, because whatever. It is what it is, right? So, this is it. I am here to do my avocado aloe vera deep conditioner. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, which I use a aloe vera plant. I usually get mine from Walmart. They like $2.88 or something, so almost $3 for the full plant leaf. Also use, of course, an avocado. I'm happy to search that clip. So, an avocado. I do not eat avocados. I don't like the texture of them, so I literally only buy them for my hair. So yeah. Honey. I don't eat honey either. I don't like honey. I only use it for my tea. But this is 100% honey. There's nothing else in here, just honey. And of course I got it from Winco, as you guys can see. Extra virgin olive oil, which I do use to cook, but this is the one I use specifically for things for my hair and my body, because I do make my own shea butter mix for my body too. And of course some good old coconut oil, which this big thing has lasted me so long, and I put this in everything. So my shea butter mixture, I put it in my hair mixture, my oil, everything. So good old coconut oil. So mainly this video is probably going to be voiceover and some good old music, just because of the fact that the blender's loud. Oh, and I got my Ninja blender. Whatever blender you need to do this with, whatever, you can use a food processor. It all works the same, and I'm going to show you all of the steps I need, well, you guys need to make this. And hopefully by the end of this, I'll look better. Cause, honey. But yeah, so it's going to be mostly voiceover. The blender is loud, and I'm washing clothes because I'm an adult. So I have to do that type of stuff. So I will get to making the video. Okay, you guys, here I am cutting up the avocado. My avocado was pretty ripe, so it was easy for me just to scoop it on out with a spoon. So that's what I'm doing, scooping it out with a spoon and putting everything in my blender. Don't forget to get all of it out of there. Yeah, like I really do hate avocados. They like all slimy and gross, so that's not for me. And then after that, I will be cutting up my aloe vera leaf. So pretty much what I did was I cut it in sections, and then I tried to get as much of the gel out of it. Please do not hurt yourself. My knife was pretty sharp, so it's kind of easy to go ahead and scoop it on out of there, but that may be harder for some, depending on your leaf, depending on your knife. So please be careful with this step. But that's pretty much all I'm doing here.
Never
already have the avocado and the aloe vera in there, so all I'm doing is putting in my honey and my olive oil and my coconut oil. So I'm not a measurer, so I pretty much just get 1-2 good squirts of honey. I think I did about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and a good old pour of that extra virgin olive oil. You see to it how you want to do it, because I was thinking about my hair, the length of my hair, and to have some left over. So you measure according to your hair. Also, please make sure you blend really, really well. And now I'm going to use a cheesecloth. So with the aloe vera, it has a lot of strings and a lot of clumps in it. So pretty much I want to get all of that out so that it's not in my hair. So I am using a nut bag. I got these nut bags on Amazon. I usually use a cheesecloth, but this was so much better. Shout out to Nappy Foo. If y'all don't know about Nappy Foo, I don't know what y'all doing. But go ahead, check out Nappy Foo. But she put me onto the nut bag, and it gets all of it out, and it keeps all of that yucky stuff in it, which that's what I'm showing you now. Okay guys, here I am finally applying it to my hair. So all I did was comb my hair out, section it off, and then just start putting it in my hair like normal. Slap that junk right on there. I am sorry for the lighting in my bathroom. So I have a window in my master bathroom, so the sun was shining through, and it was making all type of weird shadows in there, so it looked all type of crazy. So the next clip I will be in my guest bathroom. So welcome to my guest bathroom, y'all. But that's pretty much all I did. Go ahead and slap it on there and twist your hair up, get it out the way, and that's it.
Baby.
Okay, you guys, here I am after rinsing my hair out. I'm sorry, y'all. Me being in my master bathroom, I was closer to my washer and dryer, so, you know, voiceover. But my hair feels so soft, so moisturized. It absolutely loves aloe vera so much. I use gel, I use the juice, anything with aloe vera in it. My hair loves it. Let me know if you guys have ever used this. Go ahead and put it down in the comment section. If you plan on using it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share this with all your natural friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.